I'm going to give you all a demonstration on making silk paper. In order to do that we need some fibres. We've got silk fibres here. As you can see, it comes in a big roll and you just unwind it and you tear it as you use it. We have got Angelina, Throster's waste, and some Seraphim fibre. This is actually a lot coarse compared to all the other fibres. Now in order to make silk paper we actually don't need these last three items. These are actually just to add texture and colour to your final piece. You can add other things to it as well, but this is what I'll be using today. Now we need 2 plastic bowls in order to do this project. Both are filled with warm water. One we add a few drops of washing detergent to it, and the other we add textile medium. You will need a tray to catch all the runoff, so then you're going to end up with a big messy table, and 2 pieces of tulle. To start, we add the first piece of tulle onto the plastic container, and then with the silk fibres we tear off what we need. And then we lay it out on the tulle. Try and get it nice and thin. Now unlike wool, felting with wool, this can be laid any way you like. You don't have to go from horizontal laying and then to diagonal laying your fibres. So once you've got an even layer of your silk fibres, you will add texture to your silk paper by adding some Throster's waste, which is what I'm using today. If you'd like to make a pattern, this is at the time where you would actually arrange your different types of textiles on top of the silk fibres in order to create some sort of pattern. Add some Throster's waste. And Seraphim fibre, and last of all we'll put the Angelina on. Now once you've got the pattern that you desire, as you know that I'm doing this as a demonstration, so I'm just doing this quickly to show you, but you can actually arrange different types of mediums on there to create like swirls or little flowers. Like this will come out as like a little swirl, just this one here. with this one, you can just make a little flower. Like a flower, and pop it in the middle. Now once you've got all your meat, all your different fibres on there, now we'll top it off with a second piece of tulle on top.